Application of neural network. Neural networks have emerged as a powerful tool in today's technology-driven world, providing unmatched capabilities across various domains. These systems, inspired by the human brain, excel in recognizing patterns, classifying data, and making predictions. Their architecture mimics interconnected neurons, allowing them to learn from vast amounts of data, adapt, and improve performance over time, leading to a revolution in various applications. One of the most significant applications of neural networks lies in the realm of image recognition. By analyzing pixel data, these networks can identify objects, faces, and even intricate details within images. This technology is foundational for advancements in fields like autonomous vehicles, where real-time image analysis is vital for navigation and safety. Moreover, neural networks play a crucial role in facial recognition systems, enhancing security and user verification processes, and transforming how we interact with devices. Another promising application is in natural language processing, NLP, where neural networks enable machines to understand and generate human language. By using powerful algorithms, they can analyze text data, translate languages, and even create chatbots that engage in real conversations. This application has revolutionized customer service, empowering businesses to provide instant support and information to users through automated systems that learn from interactions. In the healthcare sector, neural networks are proving invaluable in diagnosing diseases and predicting patient outcomes. By processing medical images, such as X-rays and MRIs, they assist radiologists in identifying anomalies with high accuracy. This capability not only accelerates the diagnostic process, but also significantly enhances the chances of early intervention, ultimately saving lives. Additionally, neural networks are used to analyze patient data, identifying risk factors and personalizing treatment plans, fostering a more efficient healthcare system. The finance industry also benefits substantially from neural networks. They can analyze market trends, assess risks, and make predictions related to stock prices or investment opportunities. Their ability to handle vast data sets allows for real-time monitoring of financial markets, enabling timely decision-making. Fraud detection is another area where neural networks shine, as they can identify unusual patterns and flag potential fraudulent activities, providing an essential layer of security. In conclusion, the applications of neural networks are vast and varied, with significant impacts across multiple sectors. From imaging technology to finance and healthcare, their ability to learn and adapt makes them an invaluable asset in the modern technological landscape. As research and innovation continue, the potential for neural networks to solve complex problems and enhance our daily lives remains limitless. Artificial neural network biology for engineers. Artificial neural networks, ANNs, have revolutionized how engineers model complex systems, drawing inspiration from the intricate workings of biological neural networks found in living organisms. This unique crossover between biology and technology enhances our understanding of both fields, merging principles of engineering with biological insights to solve real-world challenges. At their core, artificial neural networks mimic the structure and functionality of biological neurons. These neurons exist in networks which communicate via synapses, processing information in a parallel manner. In a similar vein, ANNs consist of interconnected nodes, or artificial neurons, that work collectively to identify patterns, learn from data, and generate predictions. This resemblance to biological processes not only provides engineers with a robust computational framework, but also allows for deeper insights into how biological systems themselves operate. One exemplary application of ANNs in biology is in the realm of medical diagnostics. By training artificial neural networks on vast datasets containing patient symptoms and corresponding diseases, engineers can develop sophisticated diagnostic tools that assist healthcare professionals in making accurate decisions. This data-driven approach significantly enhances accuracy, as neural networks can recognize subtle patterns that may go unnoticed by human practitioners, resulting in early detection and improved patient outcomes. Furthermore, ANNs have shown promise in simulating neurological diseases. By understanding how different neural pathways interact, engineers can create models that predict disease progression and response to treatment. This bridge between biology and technology leads to personalized medicine, where therapeutic interventions can be tailored based on individual neural responses, thus revolutionizing patient care. Moreover, the education of engineers on biological processes is paramount. Through interdisciplinary studies, engineers can gain insights into the complex dynamics of living systems, allowing them to create more innovative and efficient solutions that are biologically inspired. Understanding elements such as neuroplasticity and the biological basis of learning informs the development of adaptive algorithms in machine learning, making the technology more versatile and effective. In conclusion, artificial neural networks serve as a potent example of how engineering can harness biological principles to address complex challenges. As the fields continue to converge, the potential for groundbreaking advancements in both technology and our understanding of biological systems remains vast. Engineers equipped with this knowledge are poised to innovate, creating a future where technology and biology intricately intertwine.